Hello, today I'm going to share with you a great Scrabble tip, which is all about learning the 2 and 3 letter words, which you can use when you're playing Scrabble. So I found this great website, and it has the official word list for Scrabble, and it's from the Collins Dictionary. So if you want to find this website, you just need to search for Scrabble, Collins Dictionary and 2 letter words. And you'll come up with this page, scrabble.collinsdictionary.com, and it's the official word list. And when you go down, here are all the 2 letter words. There's there's 127 2 letter words, and these are great. If you've just got 2 and 3 letter words, are great. If you've just got a few letters left in your rack that you're trying to use up. If you know a few of these words that aren't in very common use and you can use them, that's a good way of getting rid of your letters. And also it's good for getting bonus points from a premium square, and it's also great for using up those difficult letters like J, Q, X or Z. So you can see here on this website there's the whole list of those 127 2-letter words. And the great thing about this website is that, say for instance, this word QI, which is chi. Say you think to yourself, what does that mean? Then you can click on that, and it brings you up to the definition, and it says it's a variant of chi, CHI, and there it is. It's a Chinese medicine or martial arts. And if you're wondering how to pronounce it, you just press the little speaker button, and it'll tell you that it's pronounced chi. You'll hear that on your phone. So that's really quite a great website to familiarise yourself with some of these. Obviously, it's going to take time. Familiarise yourself with some of these 2-letter words, and obviously in here there's words that you already would know, like of and no, and ma, me, all those sort of words, but there's also a lot of other ones that you may not have heard of before, which are useful in Scrabble. And then to go on, there's also a list of the 3-letter words, so you click on the 3-letter word link, and these are all the 3-letter words. There's 1,351 valid 3-letter words for Scrabble. And there's all the words. And same again, if you're wondering what that word might mean, then you and how to pronounce it, you click on that and it'll give you more information. And it's obviously common words there, like that you would already know, like aim and ale, ace and stuff like that. And they're all there in alphabetical order. So that's a great website. And then I'll show you then how to use these letters. So I've got a slightly messed up Scrabble board here, but I'll put it back together with a couple of words on it, and then I've got some letters that I'd like to use. And so the first one, I may as well use I've got a Q, I don't have a U, so it's great to know that chi word, the QI, because you don't, if you've got a Q and you're stuck with a Q, then you don't need to have a U to use it up. I can just pop it there and use up the QI. And another good one is XU, which is pronounced Chu, which is a Vietnamese monetary unit. And that's a good one. I put that next to that triple letter score. And there we go. Not only do I use up the X, but I get 8, 16, 24, and U is 1 point, so I get 25 points for just adding an X to that board, which is great to be able to use it up and get a good score. And then a couple of 3-letter words. Obviously, you've got a triple word score down here, so it'd be good to use that. And I happen to have an R and a J, so I'll put that there on the triple word score. So that becomes the J is 8, 9, 10, and that's 30 points. And Raj is the British rule in India, is the Raj, R-A-J. So that's that. And then you can also obviously I've used a few words that aren't that common, but you know, you might you know, come along and use perhaps or. If you just got an O and R, then and you could put that perhaps on the 3 there. You're only going to get 3, 4, 5 points of it, but you're using up your O and your R in that case. And I'm sure that people will look at this board and say, "Oh, I could have done this and I could have done that." But anyway, I'm just showing you a few examples in this case of the first of all the website for the where you find all the 2 and 3 letter words, which is in the part of the Collins Dictionary, and then also how that you would use these on the board to use up the last few letters in your rack, perhaps getting bonus points from a premium square, and also using up the letters that are difficult to use, like the Q's, the J's, the X's, or the Z's. Okay, well. That's it. So, okay, well, I hope you've enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and goodbye for now.